Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So the Galaxy Note 9 is coming, and the event is coming up pretty quickly. So I wanted to get you guys' take on the colors real fast, real brief. Do you think Samsung is going to do this again, where they give us these limited colors up front, and then later on they start saying that the 512 is only for the coral blue and gold model, things like that? I hope that Samsung doesn't do this, because I think it would be pretty lame if they did. But anything can happen. So I personally like there's a gray one, I think, and then there's that coral blue one that's really nice with the blue and gold. I don't know if those are legitimate colors or not. Any of these colors. So treat this as a video as like a leak and rumor type video, because I don't know for sure what the colors are. But I can tell you that I'm definitely impressed with the gray one and the coral blue one. And if I had to just choose between the two, I might go with the gray one, just because it's more of a neutral color, and I wouldn't cases will look great. I wouldn't have to skimp on cases and try to find cases that would match the coral blue. However, what I do want to say is that the Galaxy Note 9 is coming, and we're going to see what it's about. Now, there's going to be an 8 gig version and a 512 version, so that's going to be pretty interesting to see whether or not they actually perform well. So, it's going to, I guess it's going to have the Snapdragon 845 or something like that. So we don't know. We'll see when we see. But colors, man. What color do you like the best of all the Galaxy Notes that have been announced? Which one do you think is the best color? It's your man Jay Will. Just wanted to put up a quick video and get you guys' thoughts on the colors, and see if you're interested in the same colors I'm interested in. It's your man Jay Will. Leave a comment down below. Take care.